So this one is like 50 cm is the length. And here, mom, can you help me here? And this one is like 70. See, 70 cm. So thank you, Jonah. Other like oblong like kind of design of light, and the measurement is like 90 centimeters, 90 centimeters. But I'm thinking of the color. Can estimate on it. I think it's 50. So is it 50? And here at Aristocrat actually. Like, here's like another one. Like we're going to sign. Like this the living ceiling sign. Like electric switch on. So this round light, this is also something very nice to do. This one. This is the one with the lights already. And then for the silver, transfer to the other one. So we'll try the other side. Gold, one rose gold. This is another type of glass. It's the glass. So this is the Aristocrat light store right here in Boni, Mandaluyong. They have like imported crystal chandeliers, really from Europe, Spain mostly, and Italy. They also have something from Singapore. So I'm choosing one for my living room. This is okay. You can see that. If it's a pure crystal, it's like kind of like rainbow reflection through the crystal itself. Accordingly, that like three types, like there's a crystal and then there's glass only, and some are plastic or acrylic. This is the one that I first chose, but it doesn't fit my living room, and the color is like rose gold. I don't quite like that one. Oh, this one's really huge. This is for a very high ceiling, so you have to match it with your ceiling like this. Oh, this is beautiful. This is huge.
Radyo, may weekly draw na Glandro pa. Sama-sama tayo sa bagong taon, Pag-Million 2022.
See, this is a sample of a crystal chandelier for high ceiling. And there's another type here. This is like a candlestick. Look at that. Beautiful.
Pero nagsiservice naman din po kami ng wala na.
Measuring the center for the light. Okay. Anong center niya? Sakto na talaga. Okay. Okay, installing the bracket yan kuya, no? Bracket. The holder of the light, of the lamp. Adjusting the bracket. Okay. Okay. Let's go. There's some metal paring underneath. The new chandelier that I'm gonna put on the center of the living room is really like pure crystal from Spain. Emer and Albert are going to install the Chandelier now is a boat shape, and Emer is preparing the wire. See that? Connecting the wires. See that?
Pinaka-hold ng asawa member. Yung dumayot. Pagkatawa yun. In-search ko ngayon daw tayo eh.
Ha?
In-search ko ngayon daw tayo ng install.
Saan?
Yung sa mga bakla. Sa
Binag niya rin.
Kasi subject.
Oo.
Nagkain na.
Pero yun, matibay na yung bracket.
Diba ba yan sir?
Ha?
Matibay na ba yan sir?
Okay.
Malaglag naman yung yan sir kasama ng kisam yan.
Matakpan konti, no? Yung square. Okay. Screw. Using the screw. Okay, putting the boat. Oh, it's like a boat. Love it. Nag-iisa na lang yan dun eh. That's the only design, huh? Look at it. Okay. Wow, not yet complete. Okay. Adjusting it. Okay, installing the crystal now. Look at that. Ilan yung crystal? How many pieces yan?
81 sir.
21?
81.
Ha?
81 crystal.
81? Wow. Ang dami naman. Just like that. Crystal, saan ka lang? Spain ba? Italy?
Spain po sir.
Spain, okay. The difference with crystal and glass, they said, is that after 5 years, the glass will just fade. And this one, you just wash with water and soap, and it goes back to its sparkle. And this one, if you look at it, there's like rainbow color. This is the real crystal. Oh. $81 sa ilaw na yan.
Opo, anak po yun sir.
Ang galing naman. Yung drop,
Opo.
hindi kasama yung sa gilid.
Kasama po yan sir. Ay, ito po sir.
Ah, hindi yan kasama sa bilang.
Hindi po. Ito lang po.
Yung drop lang.
Opo.
Bakit Bert may 1 pa? Hindi na lang 80.
Dito.
Diba?
9 kasi bilhin ito sir.
Ha?
9 ito na. 9 papunta din.
Ah, 9. 9 times 9.
Opo.
Oh, so it's 81 because each row is 9. And 9 rows, so 9 times 9 equals 81 crystals. Wow. So nice. Look at it. We see the finish line, the finished product later on. Oh, I'm excited with that. Albert and Emer in action from Aristocrat Lamps. Okay. The reliable original crystal light supplier in the Philippines, Metro Manila, and all over the Philippines. There's a hook, and of course a small hole, may maliit na butas. Then like the bar, I like the colors. And this lamp has 6 lights. So beautiful, look at it. Almost now. This is now the result of the installation. And look at it. So nice. Its shape is a boat. And let's see the light. Whoa! Wow! Fantastic. Look at that. It's like rainbow color, crystal, sparkling. That's how the original crystal works. I just learned it recently. Previously, I'm not really aware of it and I don't bother. Wow, nice. Wow. This is now how the finished product looks when the other lights are off. Look at it, so sparkling bright, like a rainbow. Look at it, so nice. So this is how you choose a chandelier. Use a crystal, not the plastic, PVC or the glass, because the difference is really amazing. Look at that.